Exporting your video from Adobe Premiere Pro is easy. Ensure that you're in the editing workspace by clicking the word Editing at the top of the screen. First, select the sequence you want to export in the Project panel. Or just make sure your sequence is active in the Timeline panel. Next, choose File, Export, Media to open the Export Settings dialog box. Premiere Pro gives you amazing control over the export process, but presets make it easy. Next to Format, choose H.264 if it's not already selected. Open the Preset drop-down menu and scroll down to YouTube 1080p HD. Click the blue output name to rename the exported file name and determine where to save it. On the Publish tab, scroll through the online destinations where you might want to upload your video automatically. You can choose Creative Cloud, Behance, Facebook, Twitter, Vimeo, and YouTube. Click the relevant checkbox to activate the desired publish option and then click Login to log into your account. Once you complete that process, choose a privacy setting. Enter any tags you want to associate with your video and fill in a description. Finally, click Export.